Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for sixth grade. The topic for today is listening class, okay? So don't forget, the class for today is listening class, okay? Uh, don't forget also, today it's September 15th, 2020, okay? Don't forget. So this class is listening class, okay? It's for sixth grade. So what I need is you listen and then you copy on your notebook. So you're going to do two activities. Activity number one is listen and copy on your notebook. Activity two is draw some pictures. So let me explain to you. Activity one, escuchamos, copiamos lo que el profe diga. Si el profe dice good morning, entonces copiamos good morning. Esta vez no quiero que copien como deseen, pero copien good morning. Después de que terminemos, vamos a hacer fotos de como cada palabra o cada frase que yo diga o pregunta. Entonces, si es una conversación, pues hacemos las fotos de la conversación, porque vamos a crear, vamos a ir a un diálogo de unas imágenes y esas imágenes son las que tienen que dibujar. ¿Listo? También con el mismo diálogo. Primero, copy. Primero copiamos. Copy. Segundo, dibujamos las imágenes de las personas que intervienen. ¿Ok? Good? Excellent. So let's do it. Let's go. Now, let's go. So this is a conversation for you. Listen and copy, right? Good. This is John. So you copy, this is John. This is Melissa. A smile, smile. He is taking a picture. She is smiling. Saturday morning. Hi, Melissa. How are you? I'm fine. I'm in the park. Do you want to play soccer? Repeat. Do you want to play soccer? Yeah, sure. Listen and copy. See you in the park. Where? See you in the park. Good. Melissa, do you play soccer? Oh, no, I don't play soccer. Remember, Melissa, goal. Oh, no, it's a gold. Melissa, smile. I am taking a picture. That's not nice. She is sad. She is sad. Don't worry. It's only a photo and it's funny. Please, John, don't take a picture. Melissa, smile one more time. Repeat. Melissa, smile one more time. Please, John, don't take a picture. This is not good. I'm sorry. Saturday morning. John, it's upload the picture. Saturday afternoon. Wow, there are a lot of likes. Wow, Saturday night. Wow, there are many likes. Saturday night. Hi, John. Hi, Melissa. How are you? Okay? Oh no, John. You take the picture. You take the picture. Yes, Melissa. And I upload in internet. My photo is gone viral, John. My photo is gone viral. Why? Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll delete it. But John is too late. I'm sorry, Melissa. Don't say anything. Saturday morning, Melissa has 100,000 likes in one day. Today's trendy photo is really funny. Do you know this girl? Contact us. This is a man. He is writing the information. Melissa Saunders, address 1749 Canterbury Road, Bedford, Ohio. Telephone number 202 454 7692. Age 15. Hello, Melissa. Melissa, calm down here. Is Melissa in? Melissa, there are many journalists waiting for you. Melissa, we need to take a picture. Melissa, come out the house. We want to see you. Melissa, is swimming your favorite sport? But is John your boyfriend? Smile, Melissa, you're famous. Oh my God, I don't like John. John is not my boyfriend. I am very sad. Please, please, I need to be alone. Please, I need to be alone. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. See you. Bye bye, see you. Now, you are listening and then you are completing this, okay? You got it, this? So you listen and complete. Now you're going to listen questions and then you're going to copy, right? That's what I need. So number one, okay? So number one, it's where is Los Angeles? So copy. Where is Los Angeles? So where is Los Angeles? Los Angeles is a city in the United States. How is the weather? Two. How is the weather? The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny. Three. How many buildings are in the city? How many buildings are in the city? Four. There are many buildings in the city. Where is this place located? Where is this place located? This place is in Hollywood. This place is located in Hollywood. Are there many people crossing the road? Repeat. Are there many people crossing the road? Yes, there are many people crossing the road because it's red the traffic. Is is this is this is this is this picture beautiful? Yes. Is this picture beautiful? Finally, are they doing a sport? Yes, they are doing a sport, karate. What color is his sport clothes? What color is the sport cloth? This. The sport cloth is green. Who are they? They are from China. They are practicing karaoke, karate. All right, so that's all for today, okay? I hope so you understood this.